Okay, I wanted to say hello, Warren, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over a couple factors that you need to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure, increasing your value. You need content, backlinks, and citations with a website. Now, understand every time that you type something in here, of course, these are keywords, and Google uses those keywords to look for a website that best fits your search for what you typed in. Search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that were typed in, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content, and that's how you establish rank. Um, Backlinks and citations are important just as well. Here you can see that we have the map pack, and with the maps, it's important to be seen here. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's, and Better Business Bureau. You get a lot of exposure here being in the map. A lot of people search restaurant near me, whatever the case may be, auto repair near me. So you want to be seen here. Also, everything underneath the map starts the organic rank aside from advertisement directories. So everything organic is what falls underneath here, and this is how you get seen here organically is through content and your keywords. Now I did auto repair Lynchburg, Virginia. Didn't see you. Obviously, you don't have a website. That's okay. I do see that you have directions. I see you here. So I wanted to show you how this works. Let's see, I went with this particular, sorry, competitor for you, First Brook Automotive. He would be right here, Forest Brook Automotive. He's right here up on the first page. And to show you or give you some insight as to how this works, I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and I can see what's going on in his website and what's got him to the first page of Google. So this will give you some examples. You have referring domains or citations, other websites that he is linked to, and from that we have backlinks. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another party. It creates popularity. It puts trust in Google, and it helps you rank. It's a ranking factor. And then also you have keywords, and keywords are necessary for the content and how you want to be found. So when people type in auto repair Lynchburg, Virginia, you want to have the right keywords within your website so that you get the traffic. It's looking about 175 views a month is what he gets, or traffic on that first page of Google from his keywords. And to give you an idea of what's inside of there and what helps put him out there on the first page, obviously we have Forest Brook Automotive. We have recharging car AC. That is 2,000 times a month. This is the volume per month that each one of these words gets searched. BMW Lynchburg, tires Lynchburg, towing, gas prices Lynchburg. Okay. Forest Brook Jaguar garage near me, Toyota, transmission repair, Lynchburg Hyundai. That's a lot. But having these keywords tied into Mini Cooper service near me, having these keywords tied into your website with this much volume per month gets you exposed a lot more, and that'll generate a lot more traffic. And hopefully, obviously, I mean, most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. They type in what they're looking for. If they don't see it here, they're moving on. And so, with that being said, it's important to understand how your content and your backlinks and your citations and your keywords come together. That way, Google can see you, start building trust in you, know that you're creditable, and they start moving you up the rank factor and they put you on the first page of Google. And that, of course, increase your value and your exposure. And exposure brings more customers, and customers bring revenue. So, with that being said, I just want to give you a little insight as to what's going on with websites and how they get on the first page of Google. I appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. If you find yourself wanting more info, we should talk. I could do some research and find out what exactly would be realistic for you and your business. And again, thanks for taking the time to watch and have a great day.